Hey, it's Ted Pattison of Power BI Dev Camp. I'd like to talk about the June session I'm going to be doing on June 30th at 2 p.m. Eastern and 11 a.m. Pacific. But the session is going to be looking at if you're a Power BI developer and you're used to making calls against the Power BI REST API, how can I take this type of code and run it in an Azure Function app? So we're going to have a quick primer on getting up and running with Azure Functions, and then talk about how we're going to integrate the Power BI.NET SDK and how to be able to call the functions to enable scenarios such as extracting usage data from the Power BI activity log, or having some type of a scheme where we're monitoring refresh operations. So once again, June 30th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific time, and we look forward to seeing you there and drilling down on how to make best use of Azure Functions as a Power BI developer.